y'all, welcome back to Redwood RV Ventures. I've got 2 cups of water boiling here. We're gonna make some oatmeal. Add a little bit of salt, some vanilla, tablespoon per batch. I'm doing a double. Honey, oops, I meant half a teaspoon, so that's gonna be vanilla-y. This honey probably won't come out, so give that a minute. A little brown sugar, and then I'll add more to my husband's. I'm gonna add a little sprinkle, 2 sprinkles of brown sugar. My husband likes that. I usually don't put it for me. This honey doesn't want to come out. I'm gonna try to get some honey out from here. Now I don't think this spoon will be long enough. Maybe. Oh boy, shoot. Not too worried about getting these items in the honey. I want this to warm up. I'm not sure if or when it will. I'm just gonna pour about a cup in. Some cinnamon. You gotta be careful when you add the cinnamon so it doesn't burn, make a mess. Let it cook. You let it cook for maybe 5 minutes, a couple minutes. It's not boiling, but it's warm. It'll thicken up. We have some apples, so I'm gonna make some cinnamon apple oatmeal. I usually like mine a little wet. My husband does not. So, and it thickens up a bit after it's sat a minute, but we're just gonna tone it down. Adding a sprinkle more for some texture. Want to taste it, but it's super hot. Need salt. We're going with a little cinnamon. You scraped a tiny bit more out, and I'm gonna add a little bit more honey. It's thickened up really well. Now I'm covered in honey. Oh boy. See, it's very thick now. We're gonna give her a try and turn the heat off. Still not very sweet. Could use more honey, but we're gonna add a little brown sugar. Oh yeah, that's good. That's the flavor we're looking for. Okay, my husband does not want apple or banana on top. I could have went a little more budget friendly by not doing that apple, but it's fall. Little cinnamon on top. Comes out fast. Oh my goodness. Jeez, I keep throwing it. Alright, y'all, there you have it. Delicious. Bon appetit. Thanks for watching, y'all. This oatmeal's delicious. Give it a shot. Low sugar. It wouldn't use so much sugar if I used brown sugar, but my husband likes that. Alright, y'all, and with our oatmeal, I'm gonna make some boiled eggs. Got 8 right here. And we're just gonna let this come up and put them in for 15 minutes and then put them in cold water. Alright, y'all, we're definitely boiling now. I'm gonna see if I can carefully get these in here. Nice. Alright, now we're just gonna boil them for 15 minutes. Then I'll take them out and put them in cold water. Alright, y'all. It's been 15 minutes. I'm gonna get these out of here one by one and then dump this water outside. None of them cracked when I just lightly set them in there. When they were able to soak in that hot water, completely submerge before they aggressively hit the bottom. Awesome. Dump this quick, fill this with cold water, and put the eggs in here. Alright, y'all, I've got cold water going in here. Ooh, this lid's hot. It's not happening. One by one again, no big deal. Just making a mess. If they weren't so hot, I'd just grab them. They're cooling off a bit. And the water's pretty cold here, it's nice. Just let those sit and soak. And we'll let that sit for 5 minutes in there, and we'll peel them. Hard-boiled eggs and oatmeal for breakfast. Alright, y'all, we're just gonna crack these eggs, peel them. It's just gonna come right off. Wow, look at that. No effort. It's a little broke over there. I'm ripping it. Beautiful. The girls were just playing outside, so they're just tippity tapping around, having a ball. This one wants to be a little more difficult. Look at that. Beautiful. Good girl. Try to get that shell off. Beautiful. That one feels awesome too. Good girl. Beautiful. What a finale. Just gonna slice these all in half. Beautiful. This one's a little weird. This one's really soft. What a full plate. Wow, beautiful. All right, that's 8 eggs. I'm gonna salt and pepper these. that's it, y'all. A plate full of eggs. I'm gonna go enjoy these with my husband and we're gonna pack it up. Hope you enjoyed this breakfast video. I appreciate you guys for watching and joining me in my kitchen. I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and if you liked what we did here and if you enjoyed these delicious cooking videos, consider subscribing and giving it a like. I appreciate you and really enjoy you guys joining me in my kitchen, traveling, making delicious food for my family. Again, if you liked, consider subscribing and following us along on this beautiful journey in life. And I love spending time with the ones I love, doing the things I love, making the things I love. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye, y'all.